Bitcoin has been dropping. I would like to do technical analysis for you. It was in the oversold region, then welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I would like to clarify something that is very important. A few days ago I made a video on how to make money in P2P trading. Now the thing is, there is something in that video that I really need to clarify right now so that you won't make further mistakes when trading. Right now I am on the sell tab. If you look at these people displaying a higher price, the thing is that they are willing to buy your USDT for this price in exchange for airtime. That's just what I need to clarify. When you sell them your USDT, you would get airtime in return. The thing is that I use these people as an example when making that video. I wanted to show you that you can profit when there is price swings between the naira dollar pair. What I was trying to say is that you don't need to buy and sell that same day. You can buy today and come back when the price of USDT is higher, understand, compared to naira, and sell your USDT. That was exactly the point I was trying to make, because when you scroll down from this page, when you scroll down, you would see people willing to buy your USDT from you in exchange for naira, understand. So these people right here, all of them right here, are willing to buy your USDT from you in exchange for naira. Now the point right here is that these people are willing to buy from you at 488.26. In my last video we bought at 483.29, and these people are willing to buy your USDT from you at 488.26. There is a difference there, and as you can see, when there's a difference, that means there is profit to be made. If you had bought at that time I made that video, you'll be able to sell here for profit. This was my intention when I made that video, and this was what I was trying to pass across. There is fluctuation between the naira dollar pair, and this is how you can profit from it. I do apologize for any inconvenience that might have happened due to this. Before I end this video, as you can see, Bitcoin has been dropping since this week, and I would like to do technical analysis for you so that you can understand where next to buy. This is the Bitcoin price chart compared to US dollar. As you can see, the price is correcting. Now let's bring out an indicator. We are going to click the oscillators right here. This is called the stochastic RSI oscillator. What it does is that it shows you the momentum direction of a price. If you look at this indicator, you will see that it is heading down. That means the price would be in a correction mode, or it will be going sideways. You would have to wait a little while before the price of Bitcoin starts to go in the upward direction. The oscillator right now has to go from the overbought region, that is the top side, to the oversold region. So when it's at the oversold region, that will be a good time to buy. Just as you see right there as an example, it was in the oversold region, then boom, it went to the overbought region. Right now it is at the overbought region, and it will be heading to the oversold region. This kind of correction is normal, and it is necessary when it comes to price movement. As you can see, nothing goes up forever. As it goes up, it has to come down to correct, then it takes another further leg upwards. So with that said, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.